Good morning, everyone. This is a Power BI demo session, and we are from VinayTech House Training Institute. As I told you last class, there are two demo classes, yesterday and today. Yesterday was the first demo, today is the second demo. And today's demo, first 10 minutes recap of yesterday's part, and next 40 minutes fresh part. And here you will see a practical, simple, understandable, practical you will see. Let me go for last class information. The 10 minutes quick recap. My name is Vinay, and this is my contact number. My call time is this. Many people called me yesterday. Really, thank you so much for calling me and getting the doubts cleared. And I'm working professional, working as senior lead consultant. Work training type basics to advanced, and duration 50 to 60 hours. Daily training 1 hour. My 1 hour equal to for you 2 to 3 hours practice. If I take 2 hours for you, 6 to 8 hours required. Don't think you can learn easily in 15 days or 20 days. It's impossible. In case within 20 days, if a person able to learn means everyone will come to IT only. They will give a first attempt in IT. If you're able to complete in 15 days or 20 days, a particular course, everyone will give a first trial in IT. In India, after civil services, the most demanded job is IT. People may misguide you. Within a week or within 2 weeks, you can learn and go for a job. Yes, you can go for a job, but you cannot survive in the company. Though you are a working professional, but if you want to work very effectively in the company, strongly you want to work in the company, good knowledge is always required. The good knowledge comes up with complete subject learning, thorough subject learning. That's the reason 50 to 60 hours we are taking time. If we are able to complete in 20 hours, definitely good for us. We can complete within 60 days, 3 batches. We get more money as well. And weekly, Monday to Friday in a week, Saturday, live sessions. Monthly 2 Saturdays, we have live sessions, 2 Saturdays off. Class mode, online, offline available. Daily videos I will share, access given for 1.5 years. Communication is WhatsApp and Gmail. You will get theory material, practical material, and FAQs will conduct. FAQ materials I will provide you. Mock interviews also conducted. And MSBA, SSA's tabular cube. This is important. 1 hour I will cover. SQL sessions 4 hours I will cover. SQL session 4 hours. Sir, is it sufficient for interview? No. This is just to understand what is SQL, how do we use SQL components in Power BI. To give you that understanding, I'm taking this. But my recommendation, learn whole course and prioritize 9 topics. I'll give you 2 near real-time projects with multiple case studies. More case studies we do, fully practical oriented training. From the day 5th onwards, we will start case studies practice. And these are the current batches I'm handling. And the current batch is 10 o'clock. My objective for the training, real time, you should be able to work. Interview, you need to face easily. And if anyone preparing for certification, 70 to 80% I'm covering. So you can continue with PL 300 examination of Power BI, or you want dump or proper guidance, I will provide you. You can generate your own reports. Worst situation, You can generate your own reports in Power BI. Any graduate is eligible to learn Power BI. And Power BI is a low code component. We don't use much code in the Power BI. And you can use Power BI in all these streams. Technically, report development side, business intelligence development side, we use it. Technical role. And data analyst, business analyst, techno-functional role, technical plus functional knowledge. Data scientist, Power BI is one of the component, along with Python, along with SQL. In case you're not looking for data scientist role, then don't go for this. If you're trying as a data analyst, business analyst, report developer, BA developer, then go for Power BI and SQL. More and more opportunity, Power BI plus SQL in the market. More and more opportunities, Power BI plus SQL. Next, last class, I said what I'm going to cover regarding environment, project environment, and subject. I'm covering data warehousing fundamental, data modeling fundamental, agile methodology, GitHub versioning, to near real-time projects, multiple case studies, database knowledge, cube knowledge, and whatever needed for the job trial, that information, and Power BI cloud components, Power BI on-premises components, along with the Power Apps and Power Automate for us for better understanding. And this content is purely designed to work happily in the real-time course content, real-time environment-based course content. And not just providing the content, we will give you from institution side live class video for 1.5 years access. Resume preparation sessions we will conduct, resumes will rectify. Theory practical material you will get, and the training is fully practical oriented training. And you will be having good interaction with me during the class or after the class. FAQ is also discussed. One WhatsApp group is created for our technical questions, concerns, and all the stuff. And you want to keep less than 5 years in IT and try, my course is really a good course. Best suitable here. You can try as a Power BI developer, support resource, admin resource. These are the Power BI opportunities. But combinations and all, okay. If you know any component, you can go with the combination. I told you last class which combination is good. And the people who are absent yesterday's session, kindly go through yesterday's video. I'll be sharing to everyone. There you will find yesterday's information. I cannot cover complete yesterday's part today. And more than 5 years you want to keep, these are the opportunities available. I described very well in yesterday's session, kindly go through. What we provide, what you can try, everything I explain. Coming to videos. So this is your batch folder in the Google Drive. This is a checklist, what I'm going to cover next 2 months. This checklist only we will follow. We'll start from all topics. 2 demo classes is the first one. We are going to close it. Later, one by one, I will explain. For a particular topic, take Power BI service, 5 hours. How come I'm spending 5 hours? Go to service. This I'm covering in the case study, so rest 5 hours. Extracting data, go to this in detail. If it is done, I will mention yes, yes, yes. So one by one, in a very systematic order, we follow the classes. This is a checklist, what I'm going to cover in the next 2 months. Now go to all videos. This was your yesterday's video. Even in the same area, you will get today's video. Power BI second demo. Practical example. Self-service BA practical example. This was the first demo. In this demo, you will find multiple documents. I'm adding the documents. One practice file implementation document, demo understanding document, course content, and the practice file also. I'm going to give you a practice on this file. That file also will place. So the people who all got access on this, just go here, 2 demo videos available with the documents, kindly look into. And I told you communication is very effective for every batch. Any batch you can take. For example, 9 AM. For the previous 9 o'clock batch, I'm taking project. Today project explanation tomorrow 9. And this was the last session, previous session for the batch. Properly, each and everything will give you. We'll address students' queries as well. This is a well and properly designed group available. What are the topics we are discussing? Everything you'll be notified. And there are tests we'll conduct during the classes. Tests as well. So this is about the things which we provide and the content we deliver and the support we handle here. So I'm done with the basic understanding. Next one, last class what I explained. Data to IT application to BA application to Power BI, and Power Platform Fabric. This hierarchy I explained for 1 hour last class. I will share yesterday's video, kindly go through. Today, I'll explain you what is Power BI, what is the input and output of Power BI, how come an input converted to output. With an example, I will explain you. Purely related to Power BI. This practice you guys need to do. For that supporting document I'm providing. This is a practical document I'm providing. Practical file also I'm providing. Use this and practice today. Okay. And coming to theory part, this is a theory part document. Today's theory part document. Spoon feeding everything I'm giving, kindly work on. Now let me start Power BI. What is Power BI? Different scientist definitions as well as practice. Anyone having any questions? You can ask me. And who all just joined, kindly provide your email ID, mobile number, so that you will get last 2 class videos and documents. And also, I'm really happy if you call me and discuss with me your doubts, concerns, everything. This is my contact number. So I also provided my contact number. Kindly reach out to me for your questions, concerns, doubts, guidance, everything. Okay. Keep providing. Anyone having any questions? Online, offline people? No. I will start from Power BI. So this is the responsibility of BA operation. BA stands for business intelligence. Intelligence to the business. In this area, input is any data, any type data, anywhere data may be. But output is report or dashboard. This kind of report or this kind of dashboard we will create. Then what is the difference between report and dashboard? Report talks about detailed data. Dashboard talks about high-level data. And dashboard contains set of reports information. And detail level, individual operation only possible. One operation data. So with Power BI, Power BI input is data, output is reported dashboard. So this kind of reports and dashboards you generate in Power BI. What is the abbreviation of Power BI? What is the abbreviation of Power BI? Adding more power to BA. That is Power BI. Full form is, full definition, Power BI is a low-code, self-service BA application. With what is self-service? Data to business intelligence data, everything it will do. Low-code self-service BA application, which generate reports and dashboards from data. So input is data, output is report or dashboard. This is the one. General public, they're using different applications, IRCTC, Book My Show, and PhonePe, GPay. They all come under OLTP applications, GPay also. We usually go for a form level, we enter something. The data is called transactional data, because at the end we will get a message, transaction success or transaction failure. So we call it as transactional data. The applications which are helping to do this is called transactional application. And this data stored in either database or files. And we don't bother about it, but it's a generic day-to-day transactional process I'm explaining. This data you provide meaningful way to the management team. How many GPay transactions happened, which location, how many happened, and how many are failed, etc. And that information presented in reports or dashboards. And to prepare it, Power BI kind of applications required. So Power BI is suitable to bring this kind of data or any data and generate reports and dashboards. This is the existence of Power BI. Got clarity? Online people, got clarity? What exactly Power BI does? It will take the data from anywhere, any type, any storage, generate reports and dashboards suitable for the management team. And we call this data as business intelligence data or analytical data or decision-making data. Next. Power BI components. Without fail, kindly go through yesterday's video for more information. You will not find such kind of information in online portals and many trainers. It is really a good information. Kindly go through yesterday's video and documents. Now coming to Power BI components. I said Power BI will take data and generate reports. Fine, that is single line. But then how many components available? 8 components available. 4 concepts. This is the first component, Power BI desktop. And this is the second component, Power BI service. One more available, Power BI report server desktop, only server added in between. Fourth one, available report server. Fifth one is report builder. Sixth one, Power BI embedding. Report developer, gateway. These are the 8 components in Power BI. And the people who are interested for cloud. Cloud means everything they want to keep in the cloud level or other company storage area. If you keep some information other company storage area, that is called as a cloud. So here the cloud is Microsoft. So who are all interested to keep the reports in the Microsoft, and customers will contact Microsoft storage to bring the data. The process is called cloud process. Customers always contact final area. The final area, if you are using Microsoft storage, then it's a Microsoft cloud. In case customers want to contact local server, that is called report server. This is on-premises server. So people who are interested for cloud, they take Power BI service or cloud service. In this area, the reports will be available. The reports are managed. And the people who are interested to keep in the local server area, that is on-premises storage, and management also happens here. On-premises management. And the people who wants to develop reports, this is storing and managing only. Cloud level report you want to develop, Power BI desktop is required. This is a component. On-premises level report you want to develop, on-premises desktop is required. That is report server desktop. So this is the first one. Second one, for cloud people, 95% people following this process only. Cloud desktop, cloud service. 5% people server they are using. Out of 100 projects, 5% projects in on-premises. They use similar kind of desktop and server to keep and store. Other components, report builder, embedding, gateway, developer. Slowly I will explain because you will confuse now and you also need more clarity. Next one, concepts. You want to work on desktop, what it does. Sorry, how do you work and what it does. First, you need to download and install it. Then only you can work. But these concepts to be implemented to develop a report. These are called concept 1, concept 2, concept 3, concept 4. Simply to develop a report in Power BI, I will conclude here. To develop a report in Power BI desktop. If it is on-premises, report server. But Power BI desktop is required. And we need to implement 4 concepts. What are the concepts? Power Query, Power Pivot, Power View, Power Map. Everyone able to understand? So today we will see how to download, how to install, how to practice. This is an example I'm showing now regarding this component. So this is your input data. Actually, my family expenses data. And I kept some records during the period of lockdown, 2019 and 20, some data available here. Location wise, area wise, region wise, amount available. This data I want to show like this. What is the total spending, average spending, maximum amount, minimum amount, year wise, month wise. If I click 19 August data. And also I want to see my top spending, food and petrol top in the particular period. And I also want to see in each location how much money is spent. 30% Hyderabad, 20% Visakhapatnam, 10% Vijayawada. And also the traveled locations. This is Hyderabad, Vizag, Vijayawada. Bigger bubble, more value, more spending. Small bubble, less spending. Like this. So this data is called normal transactional data. This data is called business intelligence data. But how come you convert this column by column transactional data into analytical data like this? You can use these kind of components. It's a tool, we use it. But it will do end-to-end process. Data it can bring. This is bringing. If data not in proper shape, will shape it. This is shaping. So this data it will bring, this data it will shape. And if relationships required, apply the relationships. Security needed, apply the security. Finally, visuals generated, and the data is BA data, and this is a BA data. Since it is doing end-to-end process, we call it as self-service BA. What is self-service? If you do everything, then it is called self-service. Please look at this. Everyone clear? This data, the desktop will convert like this. And this is a process implemented systematically. Extract, transform, model, secure, visualize. So what about hardware software requirements to get this? Very simple. Windows 8 are above sufficient. RAM is minimum 2 GB RAM. Processor minimum 2 GHz processor. This is a minimal requirement. Regular class, I will tell you. Actual requirement. Demo requirement. Regular class, actual requirement, I will tell you. Questions, please. Anyone having any questions?
So this Power BI has the ETL also included, extract, transform, load.
Load is not there. Extract, transform only available.
Okay.
Any questions? No. Now let me show you how to download, install, and prepare a report like this. Just Google it and download. This complete process very clearly given in the material. Kindly read it. Power BI, desktop download, enter. It will show you download links. I'm clicking on the first link. Microsoft Power BI desktop. So what exactly it does clearly here, available here. Download option available to download. But before that, you can see which version you're downloading. What is the size of the software? The version number, on which date it is published. Next, what exactly the desktop does, clearly given by the Microsoft. System requirements. So these are in detail. What are the operating systems supported? Everything mentioned here. Installation instruction. How to install. Never ask anyone how to download and install. Always Google it. You will see the version and other information, as well as system requirements, finally installation instructions. Click on this, download. There are two types of download available. And this is 32-bit machines download. And this is 64-bit machine download. Your operating system is 32-bit, go to this. Your operating system is 64-bit, go to this. So how do we identify what type of operating system we have? Go to search area. Search sysinfo, you type. System information, you click on it. And you can go down or on top, system type, 64-bit PC. So this you need to download. Go to this, select it, download. Once you download, it appears like this. This is the way. We can go to this, next, next, finish. In between it will ask you the drive to install. That's it. Simple to install. Once it is completed, you will see an icon on the desktop. It's a demo session. Little speed I'm maintaining. But regular class, I will go slowly. I will explain you perfectly this process again. This is just a demo practice. So this is a cloud desktop. Similarly, I installed long back on-premises desktop also. But this is sufficient for you at this moment. You can click on it. Tool installed successfully. Now I'm opening that tool. So once you install that tool, it is available in the desktop. I clicked on it. It is opening. You want to create a new report, home menu, new report. You want to create a report from data. Select from which data you want to generate a report. You want to open existing report. Open existing report. You want to sign out in case you signed in. I already signed in actually. This is called Power BI account. In case you want to sign in, you can go to this and sign in. You want to sign up, go to this and sign out. But on which date the desktop downloaded, who downloaded, desktop version and all you want to see, go to about. About will show you desktop version and all. Now, what about options and settings? Very important, later we see. I click blank report, it came to this. This is a blank report area. And if you see this, you will not see great colors. And this is called as color blind friendly interface. That means color blind people can work on. And it is a self-service BA interface. So what it can do, in case you have data, extraction, transformation, modeling, security, visualization, all possible in this area. Then only the business intelligence data created. When you hear about this first time, you might felt panic. But now it is simple. Daily I use the same technology. You feel bored after 2 days. Daily I use the same technology. If a builder constructs one house, the next house process same. Only the size may vary, less size or more size, but process remains same. The same thing here. This is the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So this is the first one to extract. Second one to transform. Third one, relationship, security. Fifth one in this area. All are very nearby. And I will give you some more explanation. This is called quick saving, immediate saving. Undo, redo, title. On top. Search anything in this. And this is Power BI account. I'll give you account for your practice for 2 years. This is minimizing, maximizing, closing. First one is very clear. Second one, these are menu tabs. And right now home is underlined and we call it as home ribbon. And these are called views. And this is called report view. Report visuals plus data available. So these visuals, this data available. So what do you call this? So I will go in another 2 minutes. Wait. This is a report view, report visuals and data. And this is table view. Some people say grid view. Data. Here data displayed. This is a relationship view. Model or relationship view. Table relationships. And this is called as filter pane. Filter options. And this is called visualization pane. Visual options. This is called data pane. Data options. Simply data tables, data columns available in this area. And this area is called canvas, report canvas. And this is width of the report. And this is height of the report. In this area, you will see what type of data available. That is called storage mode. Storage mode. In this area, you can click plus, plus, plus to create multiple pages. And this is called web or desktop view. And this is called mobile view. Which view? Mobile. So confusing, right? So first day, different options you may feel, but daily you work on the same, you feel very bored. So you can create a report suitable for the web, suitable for the mobile, both. I believe everything is clear. And here the most important sections you need to remember. There's the first one, extraction. Second one, transformation. Third one, modeling. Fourth one, security. Fifth one, visualization. This is the five. Compulsory we do in the real time. One, data. Five, visualization. But this transformation optional, not compulsory. If no proper shape, we go. Relationship. If two or more tables available, then only we go, otherwise not compulsory. Modeling, security. If really required, we go, otherwise not compulsory. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This process only we follow daily. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What are applicable we will take, what are not applicable we don't take. But 1 and 5 compulsory. 1 and 5 compulsory. Any questions till this point from anyone? I'm explaining Power BI Desktop in a different way. Okay, fine, sir. Now I want to create like this. Desktop is okay. We need input data to convert. Where is the input data? Go to.
Okay.
This is my input data. Look into this. Please look at the data. Something is not correct if you see this. What is that? This is a description, render date, column by column available. But this data, I want to use it. We cannot say not correct. As you decide to enter like this, you entered. I entered manually, guys. Even I will enter one record manually. These one records available. 0, 6, 10, 2019, 4,000 money for travel I spent. Khammam, GD Khammam, allocation. You also enter data like this. From the ease of operation. This data I want to make it with beautiful insights. So what is required? Power BI desktop. I downloaded. So what is the first step? Get the data. Tool is ready. So first step, click on it. Excellent. Don't feel complex about navigations. One time you practice, you remember. Everything you cannot get in the next 15-20 minutes. Just see how easily we are able to do. And the beauty of this component. Practice after this session. Then you take your own step. Excel workbook. Where is it? My data is in lab file. First one, family expenses. This is the one. Open. And what is this? Daily expenses data. Daily expenses. Click load. See guys, automatically it opened. I did not open. It automatically opened the data area. This is called semantic model area. You can expand it. And if you want to see the data, I told you table view. Table view, click. This data visible. This is to see, and these are normal areas. Something is not correct if you see this. It is supposed to be the column heading. And we should not maintain this. So first operation, we need to remove this. Second operation, make this as heading. Third operation, divide this into two parts. Third operation. So three operations I want to do. Then what happens? That is called shaping data. Shaping data. Column by column available. Need to transform it. Shaping data column by column available. For this, need to go to transform area. Which area? So you go, guys. So go back to report of the second area. This is the second area. Click on this. Now it will open a separate window. Only one window extra it will open transformation purpose. This is the only extra window. Do all the transformations required for you and finally close and apply. In this area, close and apply. Close means simply close the window. Apply means save the changes. And coming to this, save the changes and close. Simple closing, applying the changes applying and closing. I will do the changes. Explore bigger. First one. I need to remove the one first record. So click on this corner. This is the corner. You have all the options. I will work on it. and then I will work on it. 2. So first I will click on this. Remove top rows. Mention 1. Number of rows removal 1. First row remove. I want to consider this as column heading. On this, first row as header. So I use this first, use this next. So 2 transformations completed. What is the next one? We need to divide it. How do you divide it? Highlight, right click, split column by delimiter. Mention here 2 hyphens. It is divided by 2 hyphens. Click OK. Is it divided? Now double click on it. Area. Double click on it. Location. Proper. It's in proper shape. For example, you want to cancel the last step. On the right hand side, all the steps available which you implemented. If you want to cancel the rename. Both are cancelled. Again, you want to implement, click on it, area, click on it, location. This is rename. You will see the step. So whatever I decided to do, I did. So first area, next column area. Go to close and apply. Save the changes and close. So if you want to make a shape, proper shape, go to transformation area and do that. See, it is appearing properly here. This indicate number column. You can do sum, average and all. This indicate text column. You cannot do sum, average and all. This indicate date column. Date operations we can do. Okay. Now go to table view and see. Date information, location information, area, everything properly available. Now we need to go to next area. So once extraction completed, proper shaping completed, go to relationship. But only one table available. How do you establish relationship? With one relationship not possible. Next. Go to security. Security is not in our scope now. So last one, visualization, 5th one. I will close that part as well. So 1, 2, and 5. What I'm expecting, I need like this. First, total amount. Second, average amount. Third, maximum amount, minimum amount. Total, average, maximum amount. These you want to see. There is a visual in the Power BI called cart visual. This is a visual sort of. Today I will use this visual, this. These 5 visuals I will use it today. That first one, card visual. What it does, don't worry, single value show. It will show only single value. Take card visual. Take amount and the fields. Why, sir? Every visual has 2 sections. These all having 2 sections. One is field, second format. This is field. That means in this area, the columns you mentioned. Format. Format indicate the color, font, size, etc. You will take it. So this visual also having 2 sections. Field area, field. Format area, go here, format. First call out value, this value. Click on it. Board 30. Click on it. Display units, none. Your wish. 1000 format, or any format you can take. None. So font is okay. Display none. Next category label. This is called category label, down one. Bold. And I will take this color. Category label, 15 size. 15 size. So category label, call out value, both are available. I'm taking here and placing like this. Everyone clear? Similarly, I want to take one more. For this visual, I will go to this general, under general effect, border on. Don't worry, you will remember it. Just general border on. So border taken. So one card visual, sum of amount, formatting completed. Now second card visual, take card visual, average required. Take amount in the field area. Automatically sum you will get. So no need to write any formula. Click on it, average. See this drop down having all the aggregations. Select the right aggregation. Click average. But this requires the same format of this. So highlight this, click on this format painter under home, format painter under home, click on this. Got the same average mentioned here. I want maximum amount. Click on card visual. Amount you take it, not sum. Click on this maximum. So go to this format painter. Click on format. I want a minimum amount. What to do? Take a card visual. Amount you drag and drop. Take here minimum amount and go to this. Click on this. Click on this. This is how the sum, average, maximum, minimum we create. Anything complex from anyone? Anyone feel complex? No. And I want to have a filter. The next one. This I want filter. Year filter, month filter. For this, you require a visual called slicer. This slicer. Click slicer visual. This is a visual. I want year. Go to date table, date hierarchy, year. Drag and drop in the field. For every visual, field and format. Drag and drop, field here. But I don't like this. Then go to format. Format, you want to change format. Setting. First, this setting you want to change. Explore bigger. Which setting required? Right now, between and 2 years it will take and provide you respective data. But I want tile, button format. I want listing format. So whatever the format comfortable for you, you take it. So first one, take the slicer setting, list. Header, this is called header. Value, these are called values. Now I'll go to header. Header, bold, 20 size I'm taking. Font color, this color. Value, bold, blue color I will take, and I will take 18 size. Protein concept, general area, effects, visual border on. We select 19 values, some average, maximum, minimum, 20 values. 2, you want to select both selected, both result. You want to clear both, clear both. Now, similarly, month required. You can copy paste, Control C, Control V. I want month, Control C, Control V. I want month, remove the year, take here month. But it is showing all months. I need only 1-2 months. Why, sir? Not compulsory. Just I want to show you the usage of filter. You are working on this, you are working on this. And I want to show the uses of it. This should have only July and August data. Then click on filter, month available, click on month, select here, July, August, only 2 months. Anything complex? No. Highlight the visual, filter, select it. Just click on this. Now, if you select 19 and July, 19 July data. 20 and August, 20 August data. Next. I also want to see which these are all individual values filtering, but I want to see top products, sorry, top reasons for spending and least reasons for spending. Then click a bar chart. See stacked bar. It's a demo class only, but in the regular class, we spend valuable time on this. Significance of each and every visual, I will tell you in the real time. So regular class. So bar chart. Click on it. Ask me y-axis. This is always y-axis. This is always x-axis. What do you want to take? No rule, nothing. Based on your interest, you can take it. Based on the space, based on the area you are taking, interest, you go for it. No odd rule. Y-axis. I want to take in the y-axis location or reason. X-axis amount. It's very small font. You want to make it bigger, click focus mode. This will show you bigger. See, it is telling food and travel highest amount spending, books and petrol less. And if you click cursor here, food is total value, travel total value, petrol total value. Top spending, bottom spending. Go back to report, click on this, general, FX, bottom. So top and bottom spendings, you want to compare, then go to this comparison visual. I want to see in every location how much money I spent, percentage money. Then go to pie chart. Pie chart. Look, legend level location, category, value level amount. Legend level location, value level amount. Explore bigger and see. Clearly says. So Hyderabad location, 40% money I spent, which is equal to 91,650. And Siddipet, I spent 1.71. Suripet, I spent 1.28. And Vijayawada, I spent 15%. And Visakhapatnam, 39%. So like this percentage, if you want, you go to pie chart. This is called composition. Composition pie chart. Regular one, routine one, general, FX, border. The last one, map visual. I want to show geographical locations and business. Click on map. Ask me location. Take this location. So to show you the locations. Explore bigger. Location only I have taken location. Visakhapatnam, Vijayawada, Khammam, Hyderabad, Adam. So what are the locations you traveled? Those locations are presented in the mapping visual. This is a mapping visual. Yeah, zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out. But I want to identify business easily. Then come down, bubble size level amount you take. This is a more bubble size, more value, small bubble size, less value. So people can say easily, okay, Hyderabad, Visakhapatnam, highest spending, and Vijayawada location, lowest spending, Khammam and Warangal, much more less. Click on this, general, effect, visual border on. So if you select 20 top spending, 20 locations, 20 information. July, 20 is July top, 20 locations, 12 locations, location sizes, everything. So this is how you will create a report very easily in Power BI. So this is a desktop, so we don't call it as a report. We call it as a document. Let me save this, file menu, save. I will save under documents. So you can save anywhere. When I add second demo, comma, first practical example. What is the extension? PBX. If you go to Word documents, .excel, .docx, Excel documents, how do we save? .xlsx. Power BI documents, .pbix. Got clarity? Yes. Now click save. It is saved. Right now the document is saved. Where is the document? Go to this. Documents folder. Demos. Power BI document is ready. It's a document. A customer don't bother about complete part. They need only this part. How do you share this? Then you need to move this into cloud area. Or this you need to move to server area. Then only user can contact cloud or server, they will bring it. Tell me guys, is it easy to create a report or complex to create a report? Very simple to create a report in Power BI. So this is what I decided for today to give you an example. And the relevant document, this is your folder. The practice document, the Excel file, everything I given, you practice it. See the ease of operations in Power BI. Will you do that? Yes. And as I told you, the course duration is 2 months. Daily 1 hour class. My 1 hour equal to for you 2 to 3 hours practice. The training is basics to advanced. You can talk to me on this number between these timings. The daily live class video I will share. Access for 1.5 years. Communication is WhatsApp communication and mail communication, but preferably WhatsApp. It's a quick and easy to do. Theory material you will receive, practical material you will receive. FAQs I will give you for interview purpose. Mock interviews conducted for easily handling interviews. Tabular cube knowledge to work happily in the real time. SQL 4 hours I will give you, but whole course you learn and prioritize 9 topics. It's compulsory. 2 near real-time projects you will see in the classroom, multiple case studies. Training suitable for real-time working perspective, interview supportive, interview you are preparing. Yes, 100% interview questions you will get from my classes. Maximum you can answer in interview if you follow my classes, my questions properly. 99% you can answer. And in what situation, if you are a senior resource, you can easily generate reports. If anyone preparing certification subject 70 to 80% I will cover. For more, a dumps and all I will provide you. And frequent last question, any graduate can learn Power BI. It's a low code application. These are all the areas you can try in Power, you can try with Power BI. Report developer, BA developer, technical role, data analyst, business analyst, technical and functional role, data scientist. This opportunity different, but Power BI, Python, and others required only in this area. And if you want to try as a data analyst, Python and others not required, only scientists required. Mostly they don't ask. And Power BI plus SQL is good enough for your job trials. But I will cover this 54 or 56 hours, and this is 4 hours. But this is not sufficient. Learn SQL separately and prioritize 9 topics. What are the topics? I will tell you. Got clarity? The content is purely designed for the real-time working perspective. And who all just joined, kindly provide your email ID and mobile number quickly. Today's and yesterday's demo video and document you will receive. And also you want to talk to me, I'm providing my contact number. Don't hesitate to call me. So this is what I planned in 2 days. First day I given beautiful information. Second day I given practical. This information is very much important than today's practical. Today's practical you can get in the YouTube also, maybe explanation different. But this information you not get everywhere. So kindly read this thoroughly or follow this. Very important. Non-IT, IT, both people can learn easily my subject. I will explain in such a way. And I'm one of the good trainer in the market. So confidently you can join if you like my way of presentation, my way of approach. Don't worry about that. So whatever you needed for interview, working perspective, certification guidance, yes, I'll give you. Confidently, you can join in our institute.